Toyota is preparing to compete with automotive companies from China and South Korea by planning to design advanced technological features in vehicles starting next year. This was stated directly by President and Executive Chief Engineer of Toyota Daihatsu Engineering and Manufacturing Yoshinki Konishi, in a discussion with a number of Indonesian media in Tokyo, Japan, recently. We are accelerating with intelligence technology, and starting next year, which is still a secret, we will improve technical matters in Indonesia, he said. Indeed, there is no need to doubt the reliability and quality of Toyota's line of vehicles, plus its history in Indonesia has been rooted for decades. However, it cannot be denied that Toyota is quite slow regarding the technology and multimedia features available in the vehicle cockpit. Unlike Chinese and South Korean products, mainly electric cars, battery electric vehicle BEV. Indonesian citizens who are also fans of automotive products from Japan now need to be happy, because Toyota has realized this issue. When I went to Jakarta, there was a customer who also had a BEV and he was very interested in the offer not only of the electrics, but also the cockpit, interior such as multimedia. According to the customer, the interior is very good, he said. I then realized that our product was less attractive in the cockpit area. It needs more features than Chinese and Korean products, Yoshinki added. Apart from preparing advanced feature technology, Toyota also plans to commercialize their new battery technology, namely solid-state batteries and bipolar batteries in 2027-2028. Yoshinki claims that this battery can cut the charging duration much more concisely, namely in less than 10 minutes the battery can be full or reach 100%. Compared with current battery technology, the improvement is very different. Charging time is shorter, and the distance traveled is also longer, explained Yoshinki. I think solid-state batteries are a game changer for the future. But currently it is still very expensive in terms of costs, he added. Yoshinki said, at the beginning of its introduction, this battery technology was not only available for BEVs, but also PHEVs and HEVs. Furthermore, Yoshinki said he would also continue to accelerate the multi-pathway strategy, by providing various environmentally friendly technology options that the Indonesian people could provide. Starting from hybrid EV, HEV, plug-in hybrid EV, PHEV, battery electric vehicle, BEV, and fuel cell electric vehicle. This strategic approach is also taken to further strengthen more attractive vehicles, and reach more electric vehicle consumers, so as to achieve carbon neutrality in the future. The multi-pathway strategy provides many environmentally friendly vehicle options to accelerate their use, so that everyone can contribute to carbon neutrality, he said.